Alright, I'm gonna try to do my makeup in my room. I usually don't do it in here, I do it in the bathroom because the lighting is perfect in the bathroom. This lighting, my light source is coming from right here. You see that bright glare on my forehead and like right here and on the side of my nose. So it's not really good as far as showing dimension, but I'll try my best. Um, I did my eyebrows already, I did my foundation. I used liquid foundation and then I went over it with a powder to dry it off. I like to have like a nice matte finish. As a matter of fact, I'll keep applying the powder. I go under my eyes to just pack in that color because I have a little bit of dark spots under my eyes. Um, and sometimes I go over that also with concealer to brighten it up. I love the way that looks when you brighten up the under eye area. It does have like a nice dreamy look to it. So I go over all my shiny areas, like my T-zone is oily. I have combination skin, so I do my chin. I go down the center of my nose. I definitely do the tip of my nose. And then I pat the sides. I go up on my shiny forehead. See that? Let's go over there. Try to be neat and not touch where the eyebrow is. I go right over the eyebrow shape. And I just pat it in. And I'll do it again on this side. Take your time with it. You don't have to rush if you're not in a rush. And I pack that powder in. I pulled my hair back with hair clips. Hopefully I don't get too much product in there. That's just so it don't be like swinging in my face. Because it was swinging in my face before I press play. Alright. Dry it up. I love to keep it, like when you keep it dry, it depends on your skin. My skin is a combination oily, so it gets moisturized throughout the day. Its own natural oils. So when I keep it dry or mattified, sometimes I use the oil blotting wipes. I think it was like rice paper wipes and green tea wipes. I use those to blot the oils on my face, but for the most part, it's probably best to just carry a powder foundation. And preferably one that has a mirror in it if you don't carry pocket mirrors. Powder foundation and just stay a little dry throughout the day. Yeah. I remember back in the days, right? They used to always say, "Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom to powder my nose." Or, excuse me, I powder my nose. It was a way of not saying I have to go to the bathroom, I guess, or being just being a little more, I guess, classy. So that, like, especially if they was at dinner on a date, you say, "Oh, I have to go powder my nose." Keep the nose in there, everything from looking so shiny. It's funny. It's like you can't fight nature. It's like the weeds that grow through concrete. Um, it's like the oil comes out, I guess, to help the skin breathe or something. It does something scientifically. The body is ingenious. The body is a machine that does not really need our command. It does what it do on its own. And yeah, so the oils come back up like, yeah, I'm here. Maybe it's like, get this product off my face. You know, I don't know. Get that product off of you. But for some of us that love makeup, you know, it's so funny. I look so different in this mirror that I have next to me than I do on this camera. Like, I actually look darker. This light source is making me so light. I'm like chocolate brown. I don't know if my hand makes a difference. But here I kind of look like a little bit of a deepened caramel. Like a little, I don't know. I really love the way I look in this mirror though. Like, not knocking myself, but I'm like, wow, in this mirror. It's so funny. They say looking on a photo and looking in a video is so different. You see people in person. It's so different, right? That's like what they say about celebrities. Oh, the camera adds 20 pounds. They used to say that about television. It probably does. I didn't really think it do, but it probably does. See, I wouldn't know that, but they always say that. They say, oh, the camera adds 20 pounds. So, I mean, I wouldn't know that. But if professionals been saying it, who am I to disagree? Because what the heck do I know? I don't work in show business like that. So I use LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Right now I'm using Warm Honey. I'm gonna go under my eye, make like almost like Starburst pleats. You see, like Starburst pleats. I do that. Then I go on the next eye and I do the same thing. Squeeze a little product. I love these concealers because they do come with a brush, so it actually comes on kind of smooth. And but I already have concealer brushes anyway. But if you don't have one, this is good to have on the go. I mean, yeah, if you don't have a concealer brush, these are good to have on the go. me see, do the sides of my nose. I didn't used to do that, but I see that's a new technique that people are doing, so I'm like, I got hip to it. And I don't know, let's see how it works, if it works out for me. I just started doing it. I don't know. It's always a new like technique, a new product, and you know, different people have their own little techniques and stuff. And I like when they share their ideas. Like we have fun with this makeup community. I mean, the makeup community is very glamorous. It's very fun. It's not plain at all in no way, shape, form, or fashion. It's a way to really enjoy yourself, and it's creative self-expression. The body is a canvas. The makeup is the medium. And here's my flat concealer brush. I love this flat concealer brush because this one is actually kind of wider than the other one I had. So I picked this one up and it was only like $2 or $3, I think, from a bargain discount store, a beauty store, bargain beauty store, beauty supply store. And blend it out. Then I go on this side, blend that out too. It's actually starting to. People use the beauty blenders. I mean, believe it or not, I'm not really into using those type of makeup sponges for my makeup like that.